Welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make whole wheat jaggery dry fruit cake, or we can call it as a Christmas cake. Please check the detailed recipe in the description box below and let's get started. Take 3/4 cup of fruit juice. I have used unsweetened cranberry juice here. You can use orange juice or any other fruit juice or wine also. Add chopped dry fruits like almonds, raisins, chopped plum, peach, some chopped walnuts, some tutti frutti or chopped dates. Mix all the dry fruits well with the fruit juice. Cover and set it aside for 2 hours or overnight. I have soaked them overnight and you can see the dry fruits have absorbed all the fruit juice and they look very beautiful. Take 3/4 cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of water in a saucepan. Here we mix jaggery till it dissolves into the water. Let the jaggery water cool down. Till the jaggery water is cooling down, let us see the spices. Take 2 to 3 cardamom, 1 centimeter of cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves and 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg powder. If you are using powder, then take 1/8 teaspoon of all the spices. In a big mixing bowl, add jaggery water and 1/4 cup of oil. Mix this water and oil together nicely so that they get combined. Preheat oven at 355 Fahrenheit. Take 1 cup whole wheat flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 teaspoon baking soda and sift this flour. You can sift this flour 2 to 3 times to get the beautiful spongy texture of the cake. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add ground spices which I have shown earlier, and I have not grounded nutmeg. Here I will grate it. Mix everything together nicely. Now let us add the soaked dry fruits in this whole wheat flour. To avoid the over mixing, I am adding this dry fruits in 2 batches. After first batch, you can see I am using the cut and fold method. The batter was very less. After adding the dry fruits, you can see the reaction of cranberry, baking powder and baking soda is taking place and it is looking very fluffy texture. Now grease the cake tin with butter and line the base with parchment paper. Pour this cake batter into the cake tin. The batter is little thick, so spread it with the spatula evenly. Decorate it with dry fruits to your liking. Decoration of the cake is optional. Now put this cake tin in oven and bake it for 30 minutes. I have used 8 by 3 inch cake tin. If the cake tin size or shape is different, then the cooking time may change. Check the cake after 30 minutes with the toothpick or knife. Either it is baked properly or needs some more time to cook. Let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes and then loosen the edge with the knife and release the cake from the cake tin. You can see the cake is ready. The cake is very soft. It is moist and very good to taste, and it is healthy too. Do try this recipe in this Christmas and all the winter season. Let us meet in another recipe video. Thank you. Bye bye.